introduction. So the bird starts after prostrating all knowledgeable persons and also Sri Rama. And the next portion is Ishta Devata Vandana, offering prostrations to all Ishta Devata, because Ishta Devata concepts for the purpose of worship, different forms. These different forms we are adopting for the empirical purposes, that is just for a limited purpose. And after that, after reaching the final stage of pure knowledge, we will discard all these, just like you are having x for calculation purposes. Let it be x, let the answer be x. But the x becomes redundant the moment you find out that answer. Similarly, and also another example is like this. For a LKG student, you will have to say A for apple, etc., etc., B for boat, etc. But the moment the child knows how to write this A, immediately the picture of apple becomes irrelevant or redundant. Similarly, all these forms have been given for us for this purpose. Only remember that thing. And he is worshipping all like this. First is for Ganapati, then Saraswati, who is the word of letters, goddess of letters, and also Krishna, and also Vedavyasa, and also Mahadevan, Lord Parameshwara. And with humble prayers to all these saintly persons and incarnations, he starts discussing the glory of Adhyatma Ramayana. It was actually initiated by Lord Brahma, and he only had the first Ramayana compilation. 100 crores like that, they are telling that. But it was not available. It has lost its significance, or the entire compilations are lost in the flood of time. So, Lord Brahma was very happy to find that Ratnagaran was transformed into a hunter. A tribal Ratnagaran was transformed into sage Valmiki simply by uttering the holy Ramanama. So he decided, he directed Valmiki to compile Sri Maharamayanam. So wherever possible, Narada appears and imparts this proper education for the compilation. So Narada immediately appears before sage Vedavyasa and gives proper advice. Sage Valmiki and so it is at the instance of Lord Brahma that sage Narada advises Ramayanam to Valmiki, and the compilation of Valmiki Ramayanam is accordingly like that. And this glory of Adhyatma Ramayanam is beautifully described in 4 lines. Adhyatma Pradikavam Atyantam Rahasyam. It's the top secret. Just like Bhagavad Gita's 9th chapter. Royal secret, royal knowledge. Raja Vidya, Raja Guhya. Why? Ordinary people are not interested, and those who are those who have reached that stage should definitely know what it is. So absolutely there is no secret between a husband and wife. Similarly, there is no secret between Guru and Shishya when they come to that stage, like that. So this is Adhyatma Pradipagam. This is lighting the knowledge of, light of knowledge. And also Atyantam Rahasyam. And who is done in Vrittishasana is prompted by Vrittishasana. Means one who has conquered Mrityu. The Lord of Yama also is conquered. Mahadeva, Sri Parameshwara, Uma Maheshwara Samvadam, like this. That is Mrita Shasana Proktam. Adhyanam Chaididam Martyajanmigalkellam. Those who study this intently, not mere superficial rendering, paradigm, nothing like that. Adhyanam Chaididam Martyajanmigalkellam. Because this is possible only for human being, appreciating the literature, having intense faith in the teacher and the scripture. This is possible only for human beings. Mukti sadhikyam asannigdha. They are entitled to liberation or moksha. Whether they have these fourfold qualities of viveka, vairagya, samadhi, etc. and mukshadam. So instantaneously they will be conferred with the moksha or liberation or emancipation. There are different words. The best Sanskrit word is moksha or mukti. Both are different. Because you feel that I am tied up in this world of objects, emotions and thoughts, so I should be liberated. Actually there is nothing. It is just like a calf who feels that it has been tied up with a piece of rope. So unless somebody goes there and at least pretends that he is let free, he will merely stand there in spite of its intense hunger and thirst like that. So we are also like that. We have found out that we have dreamt that we are tied up by all these things. So liberation is possible only when you wake up. Just like when you wake up from a dream, you are never confronted with the difficulties of the dream. We will continue. Hari Om.